Today we'll discuss on topic like buying behavior of customers. Okay, so I'll ask you a few questions which we'll discuss among ourselves. So let me put forward some questions. First, you must be doing shopping, everyone. Okay.
Yes.
So how do you prefer to do shopping?
Window shop.
No, like from the shop going to the dedicated outlets or retail stores.
Depending upon the convenience.
It depends on what kind of shopping you're talking about. It's apparel shopping or it's
Like going outside.
what kind of shopping you're talking about? Jewelry, apparel.
So for what kind of shopping you prefer?
So suppose there are some products in which you have to mention the size. We have to actually specify the size of the product, like shoes.
Okay.
You want the shoes to fit in properly. Then you should go to retail shops. Okay. Something like camera, mobile, those things.
Basically, electronic products where we know that it would be the same standard across all, where they will go for online shopping.
Some things which are available easily online, then we don't have no need to go to shop, so we prefer to go.
See, if I talk about my
Easily available means you can say everything is easily available online. Even apparel, shoes.
Yes.
So for those things also you want to go online.
Yes.
So if I talk about myself, I don't like to purchase online. I would like to go to that particular shop, try that product out, and then probably buy that. Because if you talk about mobile phones only, okay, Flipkart is supposed to be one of the best mediums for buying mobile phones. But I have found that the prices are high as compared when you go to a standalone shop. So I would prefer going to a standalone shop than going for online for buying my product.
No, but online, I would like to differ on this part that now Flipkart and all are giving many discounts at every time point of New Year, Diwali and all. And after every 1 month they are giving discounts. So I mean, I usually get attracted to these things and usually it's and usually I order 1 or 2 things.
I think that is only for attraction purpose. But if you talk about the price thing, no, you'll actually find a difference in those standalone shops and those online shopping portals.
Exactly. It varies from site to site. You cannot like just standardize it. It is not necessary that the online thing is always expensive.
What we are saying is sometimes correct, but if you add on the charge, you go to that place, you search some shops there, and you come back. The charge are going by auto and you're coming back by auto. That is also included in the price. But when you're doing it online, those prices are not there.
Actually, you have to define the thing that you're looking for. People buy different things. Chocolate, I'll buy.
Simple means overhead costs or direct online shopping.
And 2 things most beneficial for online shopping is first is Junglee.com, sites like this that provide the lowest price for any of the products. And the second is the cash on delivery is also one of the most important factors.
This factor is very important.
Cash on delivery, I buy.
After receiving the good, if you don't find it like up to the mark, you can send it back also without even paying anything or something.
And there are also
major advantages.
You can try the product if you don't
Replacement
like
guarantee.
Replacement guarantee. It is replacement guarantee. It's not just that
So
the
how many
product.
of you frequently do online buy?
I have just started doing it. Like I was not doing it before, but recently, like 2-3 years before, I started.
Okay, so you prefer online from retail stores?
It depends on the thing. Like if I am buying an apparel, so I will prefer to go with my sister, so that I will try that thing and I'll ask her to see that. If it looks good on me, then I'll take it.
Maybe
So
something like
I'll
books,
not buy online that time.
books or something.
Yeah, it depends on the convenience. If I am feeling it convenient at Tapmi, here I don't have somebody who I can go along with, and so I prefer buying online. But if I am in Delhi, so I will go.
No, for that also one thing. If you want to show to your someone, you can take the snapshot of that place, or you can give the site to your sister.
But that is very cumbersome. I don't like all this.
Because you can see now they are showing the 360-degree view. You can see from all sides the product. So, but it's only when you want to try that product. It's only when you want to try that.
But one t-shirt may look good on someone and may not look on someone else because of the.
Yeah, that's what. If you want to try that product,
characteristics,
For a standard product, we prefer online, and for the product that we
Like apparels you want to go so that you can try.
As well as the
If you're talking about chocolates, how will you go online to buy chocolate? So you have to go to the retail shop.
chocolates.
Chocolates you can buy online.
But I never go online to buy chocolate. I always go to retail shop to buy small things
So
like chocolate.
what are the parameters you look when you go for online shopping?
Some big purchases, some important purchases like.
Important purchases, wouldn't you prefer to go in person?
Correct.
Especially if it's above a certain amount. Say it's above 5,000 or say even above 1,500, I would think twice before buying it online.
Again, it
The
depends.
maximum I have bought online is I think 800 to 900.
Again, it
About-
depends on good
I
stores.
prefer
If it is a standardized goods,
Yeah, like
Shops and
mobile
people
phone.
buy online.
If you're going for mobile phone, then you can buy from
No,
online
actually,
sites.
there are second category of people also who go to retail shops, then they buy online.
yeah.
Because they
Just
found the
different.
difference in
Yeah,
price.
basically-
I have done it personally. I saw a camera that was there in the shop online, that was shared in the shop, that was of 10,000. I saw that it's 9,500 on Flipkart. Bought it from Flipkart. Why would I go for 10,000? I'm
Actually,
getting
the-
it at my home.
The
And-
thing is for the yes.
And like what Arpit pointed, I think that cost that you incur for traveling to a place, and if you find that the location of the goods are not located in a close by vicinity or place nearby, even that will increase your online purchase.
Having said all that, I prefer going online. But there is one thing that I go for retail shop also because of the replacement thing. If you find a fault in that product, you will be giving it back to Flipkart or some online store. Then they will send it to somewhere else. But when you are buying it from a retail shop, you just throw it on the retail shoppers. It's their responsibility to take it forward. But when you are doing it online, you have to courier it back. That they will courier it back. Then you have to follow with them. That's a tedious process.
Also, one more thing that I would, if I am buying something, then I'd like to prefer a shop, a shopkeeper whom I know personally. So that is also an important factor which.
So you mean to say trust is an important factor?
Trust is an important factor. Because if I know that product, then I'm sure that this person is on my side. He's thought about me. Ki I should give him genuine product. And also, if as Arpit pointed out, if there is a fault with the product, I can return it back to him.
Basically, when the what it comes in the with the this electronic goods, they won't let you check.
Just give you
They will let you.
They will give you the dummy one and then hand over the packed product, not the exact one which will give.
Not over cameras like
Actually, no. In fact, on my mobile phone also, when I got my last mobile phone, I went to that particular shop. He actually opened the seal pack for me. He let me use it, and then I told him, okay, then give me this product. Then he gave it.
I think this is the factor of trust. I mean,
And
for
the
the
second
shop.
thing,
Talking
you
about
won't
the
get in the
trust factor,
online.
so I'll ask how the trust factor varies with online and retail.
See, online, if you are buying a product once, so you try that product. If you are satisfied with the product, you go and buy again. So buying the product once, and if you are satisfied with first time only, then you build that kind of product. So I am satisfied with Flipkart, but I am not satisfied with Jobber.
You cannot.
Also for the trust factor, like places like we have come here, so we don't know any shopkeeper there, so no one would trust us. So in that case, for us online and retailers are the same in case of trust thing. But for the hometown, we know the people. So many times what we do is for a product that is high in cost, we buy it from a hometown after 2 or 3 months that we get it. But for the things immediate that we need to buy, we buy it from online. It's the same thing. For the trust factor, retailers and online shoppers do the same thing in some cases like this.
Here I would like to contradict with one of his own experience. Like he told when he went for buying the mobile phone, the shopkeeper opened the boxes for him and he is able to choose among them. What about the other people? He has to sell this pieces to other person also. Then in that case he is compromising his credibility for other people. And if he is opening for
That is shopkeeper's lookout. Okay, I'm talking about the buying behavior and the trust here. So actually, he knew me personally and he also knew my brother. So he told me, okay, I'm doing that for you, and he opened that seal.
But
I was also shocked that a person opening a mobile phone's seal and showing it to me. I was also shocked. But then okay.
Then how can you ensure that this is not the repack?
But not all shopkeepers. You cannot extrapolate one shopkeeper behavior to all.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm talking about my experience only.
So then how can you ensure that this is not the repack one? Because they can do the repacking with the same kind of things.
No, actually you will give a wrong image to other customers who are standing there, who have seen that he's opening a newly branded product. Because if I buy a product, I want that product as sealed. I don't want that product to be opened anytime. Now you are building that trust, he is opening that product to you. Now you say that I don't like this product, I will not take. I will also not take as a customer now because he has opened that product and he has shown to you. I want that sealed thing. So the demo for these kind of products will not be there.
One thing I would like to introduce is convenience of online shopping in case like we are living here. We don't have many options to go out for different varieties of clothes. So like online shopping like Jovi.com, they give a variety of options for apparels also. Variety of colors and all. Here we don't find at a convenient place. Like we go to Big Bazaar and we we travel many places here. So online shopping in that case is very convenient.
So your location is also.
Location is very important.
If you will be in Bangalore like city, then you will prefer to go to the stores and do some
exactly.
comparison.
Maybe there are certain goods or products when you don't have the knowledge about something, the very apt knowledge about something. If you take the case of an electronic I'm not somebody who's very knowledgeable about electronic goods. So I would rather prefer to go to a shop and then purchase it because of the assistance that I will get from the shopkeeper, rather than purchasing it online. Because for me, seeing it, feeling it, getting the assistance, knowing what to do will be very important.
I would have to contradict Deepti, because if she says that if she does not know about the product, and if she asks the shopkeeper, he will always say good things about the product.
See,
but
I'm
if
not a nail person.
if you go online, but if you go online, you can always check the user reviews. What they are saying about the
I would have
product.
done that, but still I will not purchase online. I would not.
What you said, Mohit, on the user reviews, all those user reviews are false.
Comparison.
All those reviews
I
have
would
been
do my
given by
studies,
the
then I
sites
would
only.
rather go.
99% of the cases,
So
these
how
reviews,
is your perception?
it's given, it's a fact.
Yes, very different.
I saw my reviews.
Very different. You don't have any proof for that.
How many of you actually believe in the reviews, user reviews given in those websites, e-commerce websites?
I believe one.
I do it for books when I purchase.
And also there are some
I do it from
websites also, GSM
So I don't think they're biased because I think both
It's not
negative
biased.
criticism
Yes.
is also there.
Especially for books, I can say it is not. I mean, you can make out if the person has actually read it and enjoyed it or not liked it.
I would like to add one more factor in favor of the online thing, like freshness of stock is also there in online compared to the, I mean, that's my personal belief. While going to the shop, even in case of apparels also, you are not very sure of that this comes under the fresh stock or something like that, because but in online thing, they keep on updating their website maybe within 10-15 days. So I have a belief that the fresh stock will be available online compared to the shops, and if it is not fresh one, then they will give deep discount on online sites.
So you believe that it's the latest stock, and if it is not latest, you are getting discount.
Fashion savvy people like going online.
So most of you talked about the standardized product you prefer to buy online.
What about the personal care products?
This personal care also you can say that I prefer this personal care. People generally don't believe that I will see from this
Like
product.
shampoos, face wash.
If I get it on discount,
That depends on the
online,
price
if I get it on
difference.
discount, I will
If
go
there is
and
a
buy
high
it
price
online.
difference or
But generally,
there
I
is
don't
any
go
time
online to buy
constraint.
personal care.
Especially girls, like they prefer to buy personal care. They buy online.
Never done that.
If you're looking for a product and I mean if you're trying to find some kind of product which you're not getting over here, so you generally look for reviews. For a specific product.
Usually you will go online to search for a specific thing. But you are buying for a shampoo or something. You will not go actually online to buy a shampoo. But maybe you are looking for some specific brand and you have not found it yet, then you will go online.
If you have actually gone to the cosmetic segment of Flipkart, you see that they're very fast moving, mostly out of stock. Which means they're selling well. If you look at daily products like kajal or lip balm and so, cosmetics, they're very fast moving, they're all out of stock.
But you mentioned that you don't prefer to buy online, but
We
can be the
find
reason
it
for
here, but maybe women
No,
who
there are people
always
who
on
are
their
brand
feet,
savvy.
who don't have time.
What she's saying is there are people who are brand savvy. They want that their brand only. They will not go for any other brand. And for some such big brands, people keep very less stock. So that's gets stocked out very soon. So in retail shops like we have here, you will not get such brands. People have come from travel from Bangalore, Delhi. They have their brands that are available only at that place, or it will be available online. You will not get in Manipal stores, normal place. That's why you go online.
And one more important,
Again, it's a matter of location only. Na, we don't get
Yeah, it's a matter of
brands
location.
here. That's why we prefer
Yeah, that
online.
is
Otherwise,
true.
in Delhi and Bangalore, they are easily
Like
accessible.
if you talk about Clinic Plus, Sunsilk, you will not go for a Clinic Plus or Sunsilk online, Flipkart and buy it. You will go to any retail shop, you will get it because it's easily available everywhere.
And one thing what I've done for normal shampoos and normal personal care for online is because the thing is we don't prepare to buy a shampoo 15 days after. If we have finished with it, we'll buy it today only. So there is a minimum amount that we charge by the Flipkart if we buy quantity for particular below amount. So we don't go for such kind of things. We don't go for online shopping because why don't we pay? We don't want to pay extra for small amount.
Talk about deodorants. See, like if there are some offers, like free deodorants at some discounted price, so then I will look for an online option. If I am short of deodorants, I will generally go to a retail shop and buy it.
But then there are
much more options. If there are discounts, then
Not Something about convenience also. Even though these online sites are doing delivery day by day, they're doing delivery within 1 or 2 days. But when you are talking about the personal care products, our requirement is like we get instantaneous once we want that particular product. So convenience is a major factor when it comes to the personal care products. So if I want shampoo, I'll directly go to the Chanel shop. That particular time I will buy at that instant. I will not wait for that for 1 day or 2 days also. So that is a major factor when it comes to your personal care product.
Difference between the prices you are getting in the retail shops and the online will not be that much. That you will go back to online. Like if you take an example of Domino's pizza. When we go to Domino's itself, we are sitting there, we order online because we see the difference in the prices or the offers. So there are some companies or some brands who give their offers online, but they don't give their retail shops or in any place like that. So that time you go.
And here I would say that trust factor pitches in some personal care products, because if the retailers know us, they will give a nominal discount that they give to all. I mean, they will give a nominal discount on the personal care products, not on the high-end products. So here when trust factors sometimes comes in.
Also, if I talk about perfumes, certain branded perfumes, right? And if people are fond of some, say suppose, Calvin Klein. So I know I use this particular brand, so I would prefer going online and order for that. And for perfumes, I come to know that this is going to last for like say 10 days or 5 more days. So I order it online. So that is also there.
And those are something that a lot of people gift.
Yeah, right. Gift also, right?
Fragrances are something you give. So again, if you're very particular, you probably
No, adding
online.
to what you said, gift thing. Here, if you buy something gift, you have to plan for its travel. Now, online you're buying, you can directly give their idea and go to that.
And you can write a note and they personalize it. You can gift wrap.
So now I'll come to another standardized product, electronic goods. We generally buy mobiles and all. So for mobiles and all, except mobile, which all electronic goods do you prefer to go for online?
Earphones.
Laptops.
Earphones. Speakers.
Speakers. What about TV?
I got a iron some days back.
Or kettle.
Yeah. So how much product range you are looking for? Means after this range, I won't prefer to go online.
It's not about range, it's about basically my requirement.
Yes.
For TV and all, I don't have any requirement that I want to buy a TV.
Okay, if you will have a requirement, will you go online?
I won't go online for a TV.
No, I don't.
Because there are many factors that we need to feel it and then take
So
it.
what are those factors?
Depends on the product.
First want to check it.
Then if you can go for online for laptop, then why not TV? Even
That's what.
See, because many people are buying laptop online, na? So we are also following the same trend, and we are also buying laptop online. But I have not seen many people buying TV online. So maybe that is why I am not going and buying TV.
Laptop has a specific configuration. We look for configuration in a laptop, and that configuration is specifically mentioned online. In a TV, you look the quality. When you see that actually picture coming in, how it looks like. When you are looking at online, how will you see the picture? You have to see it actually running. When you for a laptop, you need not have it running because company is giving it and they are telling the configuration.
But
if you want a 2GB, what is
quality in laptop?
Quality is the screen quality, the picture image.
So we need to know it online.
so even in the laptop, same.
You won't buy it online.
Laptop we buy online.
Laptop you buy online because of the configuration.
And also the
Is
thing
it
is the
like
life
in
of
television, do you get more, are there more differences in terms of dimensions and
Yeah.
then in terms of
See, if
picture
you are sure that
quality,
you are-
little more variety?
And also the
More
thing is, the television is not for personal use. It's so like if you buy it for family or if you're living with friends, then you buy a TV.
See, the major
not for personal use.
factor that
That's
comes into play for
And that's why,
television.
that's
How
why
that personal use means coming.
like for buying a TV, if I'm buying it for my family, I'll take my family members along with them because they are the one who will be also to contribute.
It's like it's like you're referring to your reference group for this kind of product. Even it's a TV or bike or something, you will not buy online because you have to refer to so many people. Then only you will come to consensus that I am going to buy this particular product. It's not only your choice. It's not only your choice. And while you are going for online product, basically it's your one person choice or something.
But this is the category in which we see online and buy it from retail shops. There are most of the products in which we see in retail shops because of the price we buy online. But like bikes, TVs, we see online what is the availability, how it looks like. Then we go to retail shop and see the personal touch.
So for laptop and mobile, all these things, you can go to any range, like 1 lakh up to 1 lakh or something like that. You can buy online.
No, I will not go for any laptop that's above 50,000.
Even I don't have any requirement to buy this range of this particular range of product. Like I don't want to buy a laptop of 1 lakh rupees. I buy up to 25, 30 or 40.
But you buy if you are offering some EMI.
Yeah.
1 lakh rupees laptop is not for a retailer also.
See, if I am thinking of 50,000 laptop,
No, basically.
Your question should be like, would you buy niche products on online website or something like that? Laptop or maybe cameras in the range of 35-40.
No, he's basically asking a limit actually. A limit like suppose.
Actually, there is no limit because if you're talking about online, Flipkart and eBay are not just the online things. The website of the company is also online. So I have bought a laptop from Apple that was 1.5 lakhs. Okay, we bought it online, but we bought it from the site of the company. We didn't bought it from any other site because the guarantee we want it from Apple. We don't want it from Flipkart. But we bought it online. Why do we go to a shop and then buy it?
So for such high-risk products, you prefer to go directly to the website of the company, rather than going to any e-commerce.
I would differ in that. I would purchase it from my hometown, from the people, from the shopkeepers I know.
Even I will do the same.
Even the Dell laptop which we bought, we went to the Dell website, right?
They don't have.
Because I have observed that many people, not only about purchasing, for the repairing of the laptops also, they wait to go to their home and then and get it repaired. So for purchases above 50,000, I would prefer it buying from my home.
Actually, just to add on with that, there is a little bit factor of our parents also. When we are telling about hometown, if you are living with your parents, you will actually buy from a retail shop. I have seen this because when you are living here, you see the convenience of buying it. You buy it online and done it. When you are buying it for your family, suppose I bought it for my father. He wanted to see that laptop personally. He wanted to use it, feel it, then only buy it. He was not ready to invest money for that. I am ready to invest money because I know all laptops look the same.
For me, like the one factor which comes into play for buying laptop is I personally prefer to buy it from the shop, but the thing is when we buy from the sites, we have some other kinds of discount like corporate discount, student discount that comes into play, and it's like even it is 3 to 5%, that's a huge difference in the amount of that particular laptop. It's 1500 to 2000, which matters a lot. So I can go for buying online after looking from the shop that this is the particular product I'm going to buy from online.
I would prefer retailer because I think that going to a retailer will give me more services. So after the purchase also I can go to him and ask for services, which I cannot do in online method.
No,
just service is a concern of the company, not the retailer.
But still, like if I am buying from a known person, if there is any defect, I can easily go to him and talk to him regarding the product.
Just to refer.
But if there is a defect from which I am buying online, so I will be, there is no proper channel to go. Like
just to refer at your point, suppose you are not in Delhi. If you are a Delhi person, you are not in Delhi and you have not bought it. You bought it in Manipal. You are here for 2 years. Now you are done from here. Any fault, you got the fault when you reach somewhere else in Bangalore. Will you actually come back here? If you have bought it online, just throw it to Flipkart back. But if you have bought it from Manipal, you will be searching for retailer here. And suppose his shop is closed, done because of some issues, is nowhere. Then your fault remains with you. The product is done.
And also for the reviews, I don't believe on the online reviews, but I do believe in the reviews given by the retailers that I know at my hometown.
Okay. As mentioned by you. Okay. Next, coming to the Apples, having a few do online shopping for Apples.
Only for discounted products.
Apples. Only for discounted products.
Only if they are discounted.
Even otherwise I have done.
Recently I purchased from LimeRoad. That's a site which has a lot of apparel. In fact, I found the variety available on LimeRoad to be better than that on Flipkart.
It depends on the kind of shop which we have available in that particular city also, because after coming to Manipal, I have increased my frequency of buying online because there are not so much of product here in the shops.
That's a basic factor, like in
convenience.
location.
Geographical
You
location.
don't have the time
If you've seen some product in some store and that particular store is not available in Manipal, so you actually go and check for it online. If the same branded product is available, plus you get discounts and everyday offers are there. So if you are a member or something, you get everyday offers. So even then you actually prefer to purchase online for branded products, especially. For non-branded products, I wouldn't go for apparels.
And scanning through various products also become very easy. So if I am trying to scan fastly, I can see many products at very less time, and there are more options available.
And it's so convenient. You can filter out the size. You can filter out the price range.
Color, size, everything
you
is
can filter
very easily.
exactly what you want.
Actually, I differ a little bit on this because when it comes to apparels and these are branded products, all these branded products are highly customizable. So when you are looking for customization, I would personally prefer to check the product try it on myself, then only buy it. I'll not go for standardized project. Like
But
what
what
they are
is
saying
it?
is
Like me, I prefer.
what they are saying is drilling down. XL size, L size, what. But these all sizes are different for different people, different fitness.
But
Because
they
branded
mention the
products.
size chart. They
I know my
have they
size.
give a size chart. They give a mesh size.
I know.
chart.
That's what trying myself, my dimensions.
Is it available on
the product?
Size
All the
comparisons
size
are
chart
given
gives you
for
the-
brands which you already used. You can compare it with those brands. Now suppose if I use a particular brand, I know my size in that particular brand. So I would obviously, if I'm buying that brand's product, then I don't have any issues. But there are few websites, I guess, which offer size comparisons. And suppose you're comparing Levi's with Spiker. So that sort of mapping is there available on it.
No, so if
that
they say it's a size large, they give the
Brand
measurement,
conscious
the waist
people do buy from
measurement,
online.
everything is given and it's pretty accurate.
Inter-brand comparison and inter-website comparison also. So if I am seeing something on Flipkart and same thing I can see it on Zobi and I'll compare it which place I'm getting at less price.
So for the high-end apparels product, will you prefer to still go online?
No, how do you define this high-end?
What do you mean by
High cost.
Like for my brother in marriage, I bought Sherwani. That was 15,000 cost. I'll never go online for that. Because Sherwani is a highly customizable product. It has to be designed for me. So
But
I
then
have to go online.
should be there.
And it's a one-time product. It's a one-time shopping. You'll not
When you
shop.
buy high brand, I mean, some
Customized.
very well-known brand product, the range they offer online is very less when compared to you visit a store. So now if you're very brand conscious, you want all your clothes of, some branded, some brand. So you would go online just to buy any apparel which is present at a discount. So for people who actually are just brand conscious and they don't care about the collection, they might prefer to do it. But for people who want to actually go and have a look at the wide range of collection, they would prefer going to the store. And even if it's costlier, they would still prefer buying it from the store. They would wait for 2
what I do
years
is
for
like I
it
would
to
like
come
to
online.
go and shopping with my friends, get their opinion. How is it looking on me? I don't get the feel of the product that's been shown online. It's been shown on models. I believe that I would go with my friends, get their opinions, and then buy the product.
What exactly saying is actually correct. In apparels, some apparels look good on models, but some apparels look good on you. It's better you try those products and then buy it.
Complexion user just come and
हो गया बंद कर